Well, we just keep on going with percents and fractions. So we're looking at now percentage of a number. This is 4.10, 4.10, page 227 in your textbook. And this looks at discounts and how your prices work in the shops when they say things like 20, 30, 50% off. You'll be able to work out these as well as we go through. So from this page we're going to look at the key ideas here, and I'll talk about those a bit more detail. You'll need some sort of copy of these ones, alright, and I'll go through that soon. Having a look here at some of our examples, one of the ones from page 228, example 29, I'll show you about those soon. Let's have a look though on your book. How might look in your book? So it's a heading about percentage of number, 4.10. Here's my little example here, 50% of $60. Lots of you will be able to do this with just working it out in your head. Well, 50%, that is half. Alright, that's fine to do in your head with things like 50%, 25%. Here we also need to practice putting it on paper, seeing the actual calculation. It's an important process to do, so we will have it on paper with you too. First one, change that percent sign, 50%, to a fraction. Now, percent means out of 100, so change the 50% to 50 out of 100. You've done that, first part. So this is 50 out of 100 of $60. First step. Second, change the word of to multiplication. So we had 50 out of 100 times, instead of the word of, $60. Third step, change this other number to a fraction. So the 60 changes to 60 over 1. It's an improper fraction, but it's a fraction we're after. So we now have our 50 out of 100, the of changed to a multiplied sign, and our 60 is a fraction, 60 over 1. From there, do your normal multiplication. Start off with simplifying if you can. First of all, 50 and 100, well, we know that is 1 and 2, a half. That's easy. We can keep going with some simplifying here, because 2 into 2 goes 1, 2 into 60 goes 30. So I've done two lots of simplifying, made the whole thing very easy for myself before I even start. Then multiply my tops and bottoms. 1 times 30 is 30. 1 times 1 is 1. This is 30. So my original said 50% of $60. Well, therefore, 50% of $60 is 30, and what are they? $30. As we knew in our head, half of 60 is 30. There's our calculations working it out. Example 29, we'll have a quick look at that from the textbook. Find a percentage of a number, which is exactly what we've done there. 30% of 50. Let's go through their steps. 30% of 50. First thing they said was to change the percent to a fraction. That's this, 30 out of 100. Next, change the of to a multiplying sign. There, we've done that. Then the next step was change the number to a fraction as well. 50 becomes 50 over 1. We then have some cancelling, and they've been busy with the 50 and the 100 cancelling each other out. Then they've done 1 times 30 is 30, 2 times 1 is 2 on the bottom there, 30 over 2 equals 15. So 30% of $50 ends up being $15. Alright, so they've done that one and worked out that one there.